friends. We are back with one more interesting topic related to physics. That's refraction of light. In our last video, we had studied about the phenomenon of refraction of light. That is how refraction of light exactly takes place. In this video, we'll be discussing about certain topics related to refraction of light. That is, we'll be talking today about partial and total internal reflection. So for this, we have a setup of a fish tank. We consider the light moving from fish tank to the outer medium. That is, in this case, we can say the light is traveling from water to air. In this case, water is a denser medium and air is a rarer medium. So light is moving from denser medium to rarer medium. And we have seen that whenever light is refracted along the normal, the light always travels straight without any deviation. But when there is certain angle of incidence, the light gets refracted. And in this case, as the light is moving from denser to rarer, the light is bending away from the normal. But whenever a light moves from one medium to another, some part of light always gets reflected. So this phenomenon is termed as partial reflection. In this case, let us consider our angle of incidence to be 30 degree, for which our angle of refraction is 50 degree. Now let us keep increasing the angle of incidence and let us see what happens. So for angle of incidence 35 degree, our angle of refraction becomes 70 degree. Let's increase it further to 40 degree and see what is our angle of refraction. It's coming to be 90 degree. So this value of angle of incidence for which angle of refraction is 90 degree is called as critical angle. So critical angle is nothing but the angle of incidence for which the angle of refraction turns out to be 90 degree. Now let us see what happens when we increase the angle of incidence beyond critical angle. So when we increase it beyond the critical angle, that is in this case, let us consider it to be 45 degree. The light, instead of getting further refracted, it gets totally reflected in the same medium. This is happening because our angle of refraction is becoming greater than 90 degree. So light, instead of getting refracted, it gets internally reflected. This phenomenon is termed as total internal reflection. And total internal reflection will take place only when the angle of incidence is increased beyond the critical angle. I hope you have understood this topic related to refraction of light. In our next video, we'll be discussing about the applications of total internal reflection. So for that, stay tuned. Till then, don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. Goodbye. Thank you.